What's up, guys? Welcome back again. We're here. Got a box, a select 23-24 mega box for select. We're looking for blue cracked ice and pink cracked ice prisms. Maybe we get lucky and get some autographs. And we're gonna look for some, hopefully, I doubt it, there's gonna be any here, but ultra rare elephant prism cards. Let's see. Some things we're gonna look for. Here's the list of items that you can get from Select. Gold prism, black finite. What else? Selection committee signatures. But yeah, let's see what we pull. And we get 8 packs, 4 cards per pack. And let's see what we get.
Wait, how many cards are there?
There's 10 packs.
So 2 each. Out goes the strap. Top and bottom.
Okay.
He's deep.
Okay, I'll get 3. You get 3.
Okay. I'll go first?
Wait, what? I got 2.
Here.
Okay, well, then you got 2.
I'll go first then?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go last then.
I'll go first.
No, I'm going second.
Bam! Nice.
Ooh, blue.
Nice color. Nice
Oh, that's
color.
a pretty color.
We got Darius Garland. We got Kobe Brown rookie. Ooh, we got Victor Wembanyama. Don't we have this one?
Yeah. That was so pretty.
We have this one. Victor Wembanyama. Is it color numbered? No. And a cracked ice of
Anthony
Davis.
He's
Very
not on the
nice.
team anymore.
Nope, he is not.
Is this a base or is it a blue?
That's blue, I guess they call it. I'm not even sure.
Why are there 2 shoes here?
I don't know, Mom. Okay, here we go. We got Julian Strother. Cracked ice. Ooh, we got a Colin Castleton. Silver autograph.
Not numbered.
Okay. Colin Castleton. I don't know. He's playing with Atlanta now, I think. Oh, we got a tricolor of Zion. I heard he's back. Cracked ice of Paul George. Man, I got a pretty good pack there. I think we got pretty good. Okay, who's next?
My turn. Okay.
I'll do it. Get your packs.
I think I got some good ones.
I hope so. I hope you all get good ones.
Starting off with a blue Pablo
Boncaro.
Julius Randle.
Julius Randle.
Wait, here. Ooh, and then Paul George on the silver. Ooh, and cracked ice DeJounte Murray.
DeJounte Murray. Okay.
I'm gonna put this here. Oh god. I can't open this one.
Okay, open the next one.
It's awesome too.
We have a blue Russell Westbrook. Shaden Sharp.
Shaden.
Ooh, select certified
certified.
Joel Embiid. Okay, and then last.
Oh, cracked ice of
Cam
Whitmore. Rookie. Nice.
Where's it?
Not numbered.
I think these are just inserts.
Okay. Cam Whitmore again, but just
A different variation. Yeah, it's like concourse or whatever you want to call it.
Laurie Markkanen, I think that's how I say. Trey Young.
Oh, on the silver.
And then I got Julius Randle on the cracked ice.
Check.
Cracked ice. I don't think. Yeah.
No. My sure.
Okay.
Oh, the wrong side you only have to eat the game.
Uh huh.
need help.
Okay. Got it? Or no?
No. Wait, you can't open all of them? Thank you. Alright, first we got Desmond Blaine,
Read the Jacob.
Asor Thompson,
Ricky.
Clay Thompson on the silver, and rookie. Who the heck?
That's the.
Chris Murray. Alright. No. Alright. DeMar DeRozan. Ooh!
Ooh,
Trae Young.
Silver or no?
No.
Just
This one's silver.
Oh. DeAndre Ayton.
Yeah. Silver A. Cracked Ice. Brandon Miller.
Nice.
Rookie.
That's a good one to have, actually.
Not numbered. Alright, and Jace Walker, RJ Barrett.
Me?
Yes.
What?
Wait, Grady Dick. And last one is Jordan Poole.
Jordan Poole.
Not numbered.
Not number. That's silver too? Oh, Grady Dick on the silver? He's hurt without. Right now he's hurt
Wait,
with a knee injury.
Oh. How?
I don't know. Just got hurt on his knee. How am I supposed to know?
Grady Dick. This one's our big hit.
I didn't think I was gonna get I didn't think these were gonna get any signatures in this one.
Bruh. That we could sell this one.
All right. Now let's see. Well, I don't even know what we have here. A bunch of concourse. Okay. All right. Let's see. Kind of break down mezzanine. Oh, this is a silver. Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool. Let's see. Bunch of cracked ice. Let's see. We got Jordan Poole, silver, DeAndre Ayton, Chris Murray, Klay Thompson on silver, cracked ice on Paul George, DeJounte Murray on the court side. And what are these? These are the concourse, and then concourse of Julius Randle, the cracked ice. Trae Young, cracked ice, silver concourse. And then we have Cam Whitmore on the Premier, and Anthony Davis on the mezzanine. And then some of the bigger hits from this box was Grady Dick on the Premier silver. Then with Brandon Miller on the cracked ice concourse. No, Premier. And then we have a Victor Wembanyama silver. What do you call these? Lodestar? What the heck's a Lodestar? But that's pretty good hit. And then we got an auto of Colin Castleton. Yay. Nice. Prism, not numbered, but yep, these are from the 23-24 Select Mega Box. All right, thanks. Bye.